here at my Home Sense. You know, Home Sense is one of my favorite stores. So today I'm coming here for my fall shopping and looking for the trends. I shared the one video with you guys before, but let's see what's new here because fall is just around the corner. So come with me and let's shop. So now I am entering in my Home Sense. I really love checking occasionally, and entryway is the best thing. You can get the idea of what's going here because the most trendy items at the front. I really like this pink pumpkin and this woven pumpkins they have this year. I noticed the pumpkin price is pretty good, like $15.99, $14.99, and even $12.99. Really good prices. So today I'm taking you with me for shopping, and in the very next video I'm doing my fall decor at my home. So first I'm gonna decorate my entryway and then the living room area. I really like these lights because right away it create a mood, and it was $19.99. I have these lights 2 years back, but it was little, but I think this is a good size. And when you come here, it's also Halloween stuff here, really cute. So many really nice trendy items. This catch my eye. It was $6.99, really good price for watering your plants, and this is I never saw before, so $24.99. So if you like these kind of shopping video to watch and what's new there, and this is the Holloween, so cute Holloween stuff there. I'm gonna show the detailed Holloween decor with you guys, and I also share my Dollarama Holloween video with you guys, which you really like it. I really like this cute Harry Potter inspired candle, and I don't like if it's too pumpkin or too cinnamony smell, but that's why I didn't buy the candle from here, because I already have these smells. So I'm looking for something different. This woven pumpkin was really nice, $14.99. So please do subscribe. If you like the video, give me thumbs up, subscribe the channel, and I'm gonna see you in my next one. Okay, so thanks for watching today's video, and that's the wrap up video for today. So I'm gonna share the detail how I decorate for my fall video. So today was for the shopping, and then I'm gonna soon share how I decorate my home, the entryway and the living room. So keep watching, like, share and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye bye.